Do not show this drawing to your mom because too many.
Give me a sign.
स्किन टोन के लिए मैं ये कलर्स यूज कर रहा हूँ.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
The markers I am using is Ohuhu skin tone set. अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं इसका रिव्यू करूँ तो कमेंट करो.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient.
If you want to know how I color with Ohuhu markers, then I button पे click करो. Obviously वीडियो के एंड होने के बाद.
Faces, hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord.
Skin done. Let's move to her outfit. But first, let's do the hair.
Any minute, don't pull right down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide. Follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide. Follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
जो लोग चैनल पे न्यू हैं उनको बता दूं कि ये ड्राइंग 100% ओरिजिनल है. किसी और आर्टिस्ट को कॉपी नहीं करता मैं. मेरे ओहुहू अल्कोहल मार्कर्स 1 साल से ज़्यादा ओल्ड है एंड दे आर डूइंग फाइन. अगर ओहुहू मार्कर्स का रिव्यू देखना चाहते हो तो आई बटन पे क्लिक करो. बॉयज, कलरिंग पे फोकस करो. If you like this video so far, please subscribe and drop a like. Guys, you can check out my Instagram जहाँ पे मैंने एक से एक crazy art बनाए हैं. Now just background left. And guys, do not show this drawing to your mom. Enjoy.